Africa is Marwa. Save Africa by Africans. Africa belongs to Africa. No matter what. This one is called Revolution Song. With our ancestral side. Revolution song. Revolution song. Revolution song. My revolution song. Your revolution song. Our revolution song. It's a revolution. African leaders, come together now. Come together for the good of Africa. We don't want no more war in Africa. We don't want no more killings in Africa. We don't want no more black blood in Africa. No more blood diamonds in Africa. In a revolution song.